This is what threaded parts look like. This video shows threading on a part. The threading is done in multiple cuts. After each cut, the tool moves back to the start position rapidly, then moves to the next depth, and there's a threading cut. The threading motion may look like an ordinary straight line cutting motion, but it's actually very different. The threading motion has strict coordination between the spindle speed and the tool's linear motion, and every cut starts when the part is at the same angular position. This is the sequence of motions involved in threading, and it's repeated many times. Red lines are rapid motions. This animation shows the tool path in threading clearly. Another animation showing the tool path for external threading. This is a single start thread. This is a two start thread. After cutting the thread for the first start, the tool moves axially by an amount equal to the pitch and cuts another thread. This causes the threads to start 180 degrees apart.